To thread up your sewing machine, you can either put your spool thread on the horizontal or the vertical spool prong at the top. I always prefer the vertical one. If you wanted to use the horizontal one, you just need to make sure that the stopper is more or less the same diameter as the end of your spool. But let's pop it onto the vertical one for now. Take the end of your thread, and you always need to work right to left and follow the arrows on your machine, the solid arrows. So pop your thread underneath that hook at the top, straight down, make a U-turn at the bottom and go back upwards. And then up here, you'll see there should be a little metal hook to hook your thread underneath. If you don't see the hook, you need to move your balance wheel on the right-hand side to reveal that hook. Thread your thread underneath there and go back down in the same channel towards your needle. Snip your thread, and then it's time to thread your needle from front to back. You can do it manually like this if you'd like to, or if you prefer, there is an automatic needle threader with this lever here on the left-hand side. So in order to use the automatic needle threader, just pull it down with your left hand, take your thread and hook it underneath that little metal hook on the left-hand side of that needle threader bar. Then pull the needle threader lever all the way down and thread on the right-hand hook. Then let go of the lever and it should automatically thread your needle. Let me just do that again for you one more time. So you take the lever on the left-hand side, pull it down, and then hook your thread underneath the left-hand little hook on that threading lever on the left-hand side. Pull the lever all the way down and hook the thread on the hook on the right-hand side of that lever, and then let go, and it should drag the thread back through the eye of the needle for you. I always find it's better just to hook the thread behind that little hook at the top of the needle as well to keep things nice and neat. And then if you have removed your presser foot, in order to make that a bit easier, you need to pop it back on at this point and you're good to start sewing.